iPhone 16e joins the iPhone 16 lineup, featuring the fast performance of the A18 chip, Apple Intelligence, extraordinary battery life, and a Char-8 MP 2-in-1 camera system, all at an incredible value. iPhone 16e delivers fast, smooth performance and breakthrough battery life, thanks to the industry-leading efficiency of the chip and the new Apple, the first cellular modem designed by Apple. iPhone 16e is also built for Apple Intelligence, the intuitive personal intelligence system that delivers helpful and relevant intelligence while taking an extraordinary step forward for privacy in AI. The Char-8 MP Fusion camera takes gorgeous photos and videos, and with an integrated 2x telephoto, it is like having two cameras in one, so users can zoom in with optical quality. When outside of cellular and Wi-Fi coverage, Apple's groundbreaking satellite features, including emergency SOS, roadside assistance messages, and Find My via satellite, help iPhone 16e users stay connected and get assistance when it matters most. The Shamla Wave iPhone 16e will be available in two elegant matte finishes, black and white, with colorful cases available to accessorize. Pre-orders begin Friday, February 21st, with availability beginning Friday, February 28th. iPhone 16e packs in the features our users love about the iPhone 16 lineup, including breakthrough battery life, fast performance powered by the latest generation A18 chip, an innovative 2-in-1 camera system, and Apple Intelligence, said Can Druns, Apple's vice president of worldwide iPhone product marketing. We're so excited for iPhone 16e to complete the lineup as a powerful, more affordable option to bring the iPhone experience to even more people. iPhone 16e is built to last, featuring splash water and dust resistance with a rating of IP68. The ceramic shield front cover with an advanced formulation that is tougher than any smartphone glass